Hello everyone, I'm Vivian Montoya, Communications Manager for Smart Power Division in Electrification ABB. Welcome everybody to the podcast series Service Anatomy. This will be a journey to see and learn all the ABB service technologies that we have to offer to our customers. Now I am going to introduce our experts to see how the service is so important for the daily life, for the industries, for the factories. So today, let's welcome Valeria Cornelli, Global Product Manager for Service in Smart Power. We will go through sustainability with ABB Service. Hello Valeria, it's a pleasure to have you here. Thanks a lot for joining us. Sustainability is a very important topic worldwide. Let's talk about how ABB is willing to contribute and what it's doing for this important topic.
Thank you, Vivian, for inviting me today. Sustainability is one of the most important targets for ABB. This means that ABB is aiming at balancing the society needs as well as environment and economy needs. To reach this target, I like mentioning our CEO, Bjorn Rosengren's words. At ABB, we embedded sustainability in everything we do in order to create long-term value. This starts with helping our customers reduce their emissions and preserve resources, which is where we make the biggest impact, and extends to our own operations, to our suppliers and communities we serve. We strive always to be an exemplary corporate citizen wherever we operate.
Valeria, you are working at ABB Service for low voltage products and solutions. What actions is your area doing to be more sustainable?
ABB Service offers a large number of solutions that aim at sustainability in order to preserve the resources and to reduce the emissions. For example, by means of advanced maintenance programs, we aim at maximizing the efficiency and the service continuity of ABB installed products and extending their lifetime of 10 years and even longer. We also offer the customers a large number of spare parts to guarantee the circuit breaker sustainability.
What other added value solution can you offer to our customers, Valeria?
To be more sustainable, ABB has realized an assistance service for remote named Raised. And thanks to the new augmented reality technology, the service can assist customers from remote while they are executing the maintenance activities, detecting their criticalities, identifying the required spare parts, and more. This service allows to drastically reduce the CO2 emissions linked to assistance travels, either short or long haul, and the problem-solving times are drastically shortened as well.
That sounds great. ABB Service is capable to offer maintenance of every type, spare parts of lots of components, and last but not least, assistance from remote in a smart way. Valeria, is there anything else we need to know?
Well, Vivian, sure I can tell you more. We keep an eye even on the circuit breakers that have come to their end of life. Switchboards generally have a longer lifetime respect to the circuit breakers. Despite of this, it would be a pity and a non-sustainable choice to replace the whole switchboard plus the circuit breakers that are mounted inside. Therefore, we are offering different types of ABB retrofit kit solutions so that we can replace easily and safely the old circuit breakers with a new generation's one by ensuring high standards of quality and performances, which are ABB landmark all over the world. Just think of the fact that ABB is proud of having achieved the target of 10,000 low-voltage retrofit kits manufactured in the last years.
Wow, this is a huge number of solutions given to the customers to meet their needs. I'm proud too. But what does it mean for the environment?
You know what it means? Huge saving of raw materials and energy that would have been necessary to manufacture new switchboards of panels, as well as huge reduction of CO2 emissions. Just to give you an idea of the saving quantities, in 1 year we could save up to 800 tons of copper, equivalent to the content present in 26 Statues of Liberty, and then about 1,200 tons of steel, equivalent to the content of 8 Statues of Liberty. And we could reduce over 30,000 tons of CO2 emissions in the last 5 years, that are equivalent to the emissions of a car traveling from coast to coast from New York to Las Vegas 2.5 times.
Thanks, Valeria. This is much clearer to me. What about the old equipment replaced by ABB retrofit kit, for example?
In some countries, ABB has recently introduced a support service to the customer when dealing with the obsolete equipment at its end of life. We are talking about WEEE waste, electrical and electronic equipment, with the target to care the environment and be more sustainable. Many customers rely on third parties that collect WEEE at their sites, but I suppose that these customers do not even know where this equipment will end up. ABB is taking charge of giving this information to their customers. ABB wants the collected WEEE to be recycled at the most, or converted in energy, and only a minimum quantity to be disposed of. ABB can give proof of this process by means of a green declaration.
Valeria, you are surprising me. I'm wondering if you have real-life case to share with the audience.
Sure, Vivian. The latest case is referred to a customer with lots of obsolete circuit breakers, 113 pieces, which were replaced by an equal number of advanced solutions retrofit kits. These old circuit breakers were collected and recycled at the most, over the 80%, then converted in energy, roughly 20%, and only a very small part, below 0.3%, were disposed of. This was possible thanks to the support of our qualified consortium-based partner, expert in collecting and dealing with WEEE. With this partnership, ABB was able to inform the customer about the quantities of WEEE that had been recycled, converted into energy, and disposed of. Last but not the least, ABB customers can show their own customers how ABB embeds sustainability in what they are doing. This is perfectly in line with the ABB group targets to create long-term value for us and our customers. And ABB Low Voltage Survey is available to support for more information.
I'm very happy with this information about sustainability with ABB Service. Valeria, you helped us a lot in understanding the added value of the different ABB solutions. Thanks a lot. Please stay with us for the next Service Anatomy podcast, where we will talk about the most innovative service solutions in the market. Thank you so much.